came to the session today to learn about home buying. I'm a first-time home buyer, and I just wanted to know the process, how I can get my finances together, what credit score do I need to obtain a home, to obtain a proper loan.
In order for you to be prepared to purchase a home in today, I would suggest that you know your credit scores. Credit scores are playing a significant role in qualifying. Making sure that you have enough assets saved, enough to get you through the process of purchasing a home, as well as having reserves left over to help protect you if any hardship was to fall into place. The third item that I would make sure that you prepare yourself for is really know what your needs are when selecting a home, because identifying what's important to you is going to help you make the decision on who to do business with, your real estate agent as well as your lender.
I learned that you need to educate yourself, and that even though they had good information, there's still room for you to educate yourself further. You learn that the old ideas that they had in the past for buying mortgages are quite different now, and so you have to re-educate yourself.
The mortgage business in the last 2 years has tremendously changed based on guidelines, options available for borrowers. Interest rates still remain pretty much the same. But what you're finding is that the challenge is a little bit more tighter. Guidelines have been a lot more tighter for buyers that are out there in today's marketplace purchasing homes.
I'm basically going to really buy something, and I think that with the income we have, we can afford it. And it's not a fear thing, a worry thing. It's just a matter of educating yourself and doing it right, because you're losing money when we're paying almost $1,000 in rent. And I really believe we can do better.
I've been renting in Howard County for about 13 years. So I'm actually looking to purchase the home that I'm in and the process that I need to do that.
It's a buyer's market. The inventory is higher in today's marketplace because there's a lot more homes out there for buyers to purchase. Prices are still coming down. We're fortunate that they're slowing down, but they are still coming down. So when you have pretty much to select from, it makes the shopping process a lot better.
I'm looking to buy a home in Howard County because the school system is one of the best in the nation. It's great to raise a family, and you know, careers are great out here. Shopping, the conveniences of the lake and exercising. That's why I want to stay here.
Well, Howard County is a very upscale county, and the houses have value. And the ones that don't have value, with the Planning and Zoning Commission, you're able to do something to the house to make it have more value.
I think Howard County is one of the counties that are still holding on their values. The decline rate on the values are not going as fast. This housing stock is still there as well.
I'm leaving here today armed with all the information that I need. I'm excited about what I learned today, and I hope my process will be as quick and painless as it possibly can be.
I like to tell anybody that if they're renting and they look at your credit, look at how much you make, and don't be afraid that just because you're making so much money that you can't afford to buy a house or some property to own, and you can. People will tell you that, but you know, you really need to look into it for yourself.